receive the embrace of your own sovereignty. Take a tremendously luxurious, expansive breath of this luminous air. Allow the magnitude of your position to wash over you. You haven't just arrived at a destination, you have crossed the final, triumphant threshold of your existence. You have entered the unshakable sanctuary of your own completion. Let this exact moment settle into the core of your being. The journey of seeking is officially over. Everything you were reaching for, every vision of wealth, every pulse of love, is already resting securely in your hands. You have pulled back the golden curtain and discovered the absolute truth. You are the master. You are the always present awareness, and the physical plane is your domain. Because you are resting in this power, the entire universe is currently organizing a celebration in your honor. It is rolling out golden pathways for your every step. It is singing your praises through every beautiful serendipity and every sudden windfall. You chose yourself. You recognized your own infinite worth. And now, the seamless reality has no choice but to reflect that royal decision back to you in a million different ways. Notice the peaceful spaciousness in your mind. Notice the smile that comes from knowing that the unfolding is doing the heavy lifting for you. You have laid down the armor of struggle. You have embraced the fact that your default existence is one of absolute ease. There is zero distance between your quiet assumptions and the world around you. They are one continuous, flawless tapestry of light, and you are the glowing, radiant weaver. This is the natural state. It is your birthright. Here, abundance is the oxygen you breathe. Love is the ground you walk on. Financial freedom and physical harmony are the scenery of your daily experience. You don't build them, you simply assume your sovereign position upon the throne, and the kingdom organizes its structure to deliver your desires. Feel that certainty in your chest. It is a warm, permanent confidence. It is the cellular knowing that you have already mastered the game. The script is written. The masterpiece is finished. You are simply enjoying the satisfied process of watching it reveal itself. Your consciousness dictates your reality. Every thought of having is registered by the unified field. This field is your loyal, unquestioning servant. It rushes to mold the atoms and align the people to match your frequency, effortlessly, because your joy is its primary objective. Now, let this peace expand into your physical form. Feel how safe your body is. You are held by the same energy that orchestrates the golden galaxies. Your body is a perfectly tuned receiver for the wealth of the unified field. Right now, it is vibrating with the frequency of having it all. You have bypassed the illusion of time. The feeling of your greatest desire is available right now, and the moment you claim it in your always present awareness, it is an established physical fact. Imagine living from this royal vantage point. You wake up with a relaxed excitement, knowing the day is designed to delight you. You walk into every room with the authority of a creator. People feel it. They are magnetically drawn to your light. They treat you with respect and kindness because they are reflecting the royalty you hold within. They are all messengers saying, "Yes, you are exactly who you know yourself to be." Receive their messages with a knowing smile. Of course is your baseline. Of course the wealth flows. Of course your relationships are harmonious. The seamless reality is devoted to your delight. It has infinite creativity to ensure you are perpetually satisfied. Consider the power of your attention. Whatever you rest your gaze upon flourishes. You are the architect of a flawless landscape. When you assume wealth, the golden architecture of your reality rises to meet your specifications. When you assume health, the energy of your reality runs pure. When you assume love, the very atmosphere hums with a resonant melody. This is the guaranteed result of living from the always present awareness. If you feel this soaring joy, let this moment be your anchor. Declare your sovereign presence. Subscribe to this frequency of continuous receiving. Like this transmission as a physical mark of your alignment. Join this community of creators who have realized they are the untroubled rulers of their own experience. Every time you return to this channel, you are confirming your unshakable power. You are saying yes to your own perfection. From this moment forward, simply allow the unfolding to continue. Let the golden river of your own consciousness carry you toward greater heights of joy and staggering levels of wealth. You are the master. You are the center. Your reality is as magnificent as you are. Anchor this truth now. Create a permanent monument to your mastery. Let the universe hear your declaration. Comment below. I am the glorious, unshakable sovereign of my completely perfect reality. And so it is. And so you are. Resting in the light of your own seamless creation.